Hi all, here I am going to do a exploratory data analysis on my dataset SampleSuperStore. My task is, as a business manager, I have to try to find out the weak areas where I can work to make profit more. What all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. Here I used Python and Excel. First, I am going to importing my necessary libraries. Then I read and take the shape of my data. I have 17 columns and above 9,000 rows. Then I describe my data. Then using data.columns, I check my each columns of my dataset. Then let's check the null values in our dataset. There is no null value present here. That means we have a pure dataset now. Then I took the value count of quantity, subcategory, and then let's start visualization. The purpose of EDA is, in data mining, EDA is an approach to analyzing datasets to summarize their main characteristics, often with visual methods. EDA is used for seeing what the data can tell us before the modeling task. Here we plot a graph category versus sales. From this graph, office supplies having more sales. Then we took the count of category, subcategory column. In this graph, we can see that more sales products are office supplies art and office supplies paper. Also, some products have only very less sales. Then we plot another graph, category versus profit. From this graph, we can analyze that category technology having more profit, at the same time they having more loss also. Then we plotted subcategory versus profit. In this graph, copious subcategory having more profit, machines having low performance in sales, so they having high loss also. Let's check sales and profit based on subcategory. Here the red color shows sales and green color for profit. From this graph, copies having more sales and getting more profit also. Machines are getting high sales but neglected amount of profit only. Region wise profit and sales. Here we can analyze that West region having more profit compared with other regions. State-wise sales and profit, we can understand that comparing with other subcategory, Wyoming is getting high sales and also they are having high amount of loss also. Then segment-wise sales and profit. From this graph, there is 3 of this category having high sales but profit is very less. Then ship mode wise sales and profit. From this graph, here first class shipment mode is better than other ship mode. Subcategory wise sales and profit. From this graph, technology copies having high sales and profit and technology machines having low performance on sales. Neglected amount of profit, they having high amount of loss also. Then I check the correlation between all variables by using heat map. Then my heat map shows that sales and profit are positively correlated and discount and profit are negatively correlated. Also, quantity and profit are less moderately correlated. Then I took a scatter plot of discount versus profit. From this graph, we can conclude that by the increasing of discount, profit is gradually decreasing. Then we took a bar graph of discount versus subcategory. By looking this graph, both binders and appliances from office supplies having high discount. Then I made a pay plot. Then histogram of sales. Distribution plot of discount depicts variation in the discount distribution, which is decreasing gradually. Then sales versus segment with category. By looking this graph, home office technology having high sales. Bar graph sales with segment with category. In this graph, from segment home office, the category machines have a high amount of sales. From corporate, copiers segment also have more sales. Then count plot of state segment. By this graph, we can understand that consumer segment is more in California and very less in Ohio corporate. Then I am going to my observation and conclusion from this EDA. Highest sales in Wyoming state and lowest sales in South Dakota state. Top profitable states are Vermont, Rhode Island, Indiana. Less profitable states are Ohio, Colorado, and North Carolina. To increase the performance, we have to focus on the less performed states first and find the real problems and its solutions there. Also, we have to focus more on sales in central region. Highest profit in technology category and lowest profit in furniture category. That means we have to focus on furniture sales and convert it to modern or latest product because their existing product are not demanded. Profit is high in first class ship mode and low profit in second class standard class ship mode. High profit and sales on home office segment and lowest in consumer segment. Highest profit in copiers subcategory and lowest profit in tables subcategory. Highest sales in Wyoming state and lowest sales in South Dakota states. Thank you.